Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the FastAPI and the SQL model. Today we are going to learn building one-to-many relationship using the SQL model and the FastAPI. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have this relationship. Let us consider an example where we have the two models, that is author and the book. Author can write many books, right? Can write many books, but each book has only one author. So there is one to many. This is one to many relationship. So first of all, we have to define the author and the book models. So here we go with our models. So here we are defining models. So this is book model. Okay. So here we have the ID, title, year, author ID. Okay. And in the author, we have a relationship with books. Okay, and in the author model we have a relationship with books with author. Okay, so this is how the relationship is taking place in our models. So whenever we try to fetch the data, so it will come with books. Okay, so when I try to fetch with the author, so all the list of the books that they have, it will come. Okay, so author can write, well, each book has only one author, so author can have the multiple books. Okay, so here we go with this one. So the author can write many books. So when we try to fetch, so we have to fetch all the books related to the author. Okay, so this is the first, that is models. So this is done. Next one, that is database.py, that is SQL model, which is already discussed in the last video. So here we have the SQL model, and we have to username, password, host, port, and the database. So this is connection string, pass it, and create engine, and then here to define the function for creating the database connection. Okay, and after this we have a main file, that is testing.py. So here we have all the imports over there. Okay, so make sure to you have to import all of this, right? After this import, we have to create the classes for the book read. This is basically for passing the models, right? So we have to create the class book read and the author read. Okay, after this we have the async content manager. So basically what it will do, so whenever the application is start up, so it will connect to the database and create the respective models that we require. Okay, and after this we have a session. Okay, with the session, now create an author with the books. So here I'm going to create the author with the books. Okay, so here we are creating the dummy data. After this we have to pull down all the data. Okay, so this is already there. I think we don't require to make it like this insertion data, so just remove this or just add this, and we don't require then the post authors, I suppose. Okay, just comment this. Okay, now after this we are going to just fetch the data. So here you can see that the get session author books. So here you can see that we have a author, this is a list author rate for passing the model, correct? Author rate that we have. Okay, and here we are just pulling all the information over here. Okay, and this is how we are going to insert the data. Session dot add author, then commit, then insert data calling the function. Done. Let's check that each and everything is working or the not. So let's open the Python project, HTML, Python. So where is my tutorial? Fast API. Let's open in a terminal. So here we have to go with the testing. Sorry, app reload. Just hit enter. So here you can see that. Okay, okay, this is insert into the author. Everything is insertion is done. Okay, that's okay. Now we are going to hit the API to pull down the authors list. Okay, so here we have saying that the books are empty. Why? Okay, so this is already record over there. Just give me a second. So 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the book Okay, so we haven't deleted the, I think, the author, I suppose. Okay, so because that is not linked with that one, so that's the reason that their array is empty, books array is empty, and the relationship that will occur over here, it will come like this. Okay, so the books have this and that one. So this is how we have built the relation of the author with the multiple books. So this how you can create the relationship with one to many. The next video will be going to be a extent of the video for the relationships. Again, I think three relationships are pending that we have to discuss in the next coming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.